In the heart of London, where history stretches back for centuries, a piece of the future began to rise. At first, it was only an idea imagined by Italian architect Renzo Piano. Standing near London Bridge, he looked at the skyline and saw something different. Not another heavy skyscraper, not another concrete tower. He imagined glass, a structure that would rise like a shard of crystal, light, elegant, almost disappearing into the sky. Many people doubted it. They said it was too tall, too modern, too bold for London. But vision always sounds impossible until it becomes reality. Construction began in 2009. The challenge was enormous. The building had to rise beside one of the busiest train stations in the country, London Bridge Station. Engineers first built a powerful concrete core. This became the spine of the tower, strong enough to support 72 habitable floors reaching 310 meters into the sky. Then came the glass. Over 11,000 panels of specially engineered glass were installed. Each panel designed not just for beauty, but for performance. The shard reflects the sky itself. On cloudy days, it blends into the mist. At sunset, it glows golden. At night, it shines like a vertical lantern above the city. Its design is made of 8 sloping glass fragments, shards, that do not fully meet at the top. This open crown allows the building to breathe. It reduces wind pressure. It gives the tower flexibility to gently move with strong winds. Yes, the shard can actually sway, and that movement keeps it safe. But what truly makes the shard extraordinary is that it is not just a skyscraper. It is a vertical city. Inside, you will find offices, world-class restaurants, luxury living spaces, the Shangri-La Hotel, and a public viewing gallery nearly 250 meters above London. An entire community stacked into the sky. When it was completed in 2012, it became the tallest building in the United Kingdom, a modern symbol rising beside ancient landmarks. Today, it is impossible to imagine London without it. What was once controversial is now iconic. The shard did not just change the skyline. It changed what London believed it could become. And every time the sun sets behind it, the city reflects in its glass, and the future shines back.